One more thing I want to do before I push this in, because now you remember the existing outlet box was flush with the wall. This one sticks out because of these tabs, right? So if I push this in here, see these tabs right here? If I push that, that's going to set on top of this box. That's going to bulge this out another 1/16 or so. And so the thought process is, if I screw this right on the box, and if I put this on, this cover might not fit nice and tight to the sheetrock wall. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't, if you leave these little tabs on. And I don't want this cover to stick out of off the wall. So what to do there? These tabs, we're gonna break these tabs off. If you look at the tabs, there's a definite little score mark right now. You may think, have you ever wondered what that score mark is for? Well, we're gonna take some dikes here, or our cutters. We're just gonna put a little bit more of a score in there. And sometimes you can get these off if you press hard enough, but you know, you just score it like that. Then you take this just above the score, grab it and twist it. Comes right off. Okay, we're going to do that because then this area here slips into this little notch. Okay, it's supposed to anyways. This area here is a little bit fatter than a regular plug, so I guess I should check that, because we may not have to pull those tabs off. Okay, if I look at that, that's 3/4, and I measure that, and there's 7/8 of an inch there. So I know this little area here is going to fit right into that little groove, and that's going to push this plug up to the wall that much tighter. Do you see that? Okay, let's just go ahead and get these off of here. Yeah, I used to be able to cut those off, but you know, I'm not as strong as I used to be. You score it, it just helps a little bit. If you don't score that, sometimes the tip of that starts bending. All right? You take that and bend that back and forth. There you go. Okay. Now, I think we're ready to put it back in the wall.